Je suis désolée, je ne peux pas prendre la distance encore. Depuis ton départ, mon cœur se casse tous les heures, tous les heures. Depuis Walem que t'as chargé, oh là là, comment changer ou non non non, j'aimerais envie ou.
Girl better come follow me, girl better come follow me.
Hi everybody, it's your girl Jenny. Welcome back to Divany hair. Okay, it's me. My hair, okay, my hair grows so fast, and if you follow me on my Instagram, you will know that I'm not doing so much hairstyles or whatever. So I love it. Right now I'm trying to make it thicker, so I use some oils and all that. But hear me out. I'm not trying to bore you with my talk. So let me explain what I'm trying to do. And I was trying to do the crisscross method, but I ended up doing 2 sides feeding braids and 3 parts of crisscross. Okay, because I was running out of rubber bands, because I don't want to go down and buy more, whatever. I say, okay, let me do something with my hair because it's like to rain and blah 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 blah. That's gonna be in another video. Okay, so I straight the front part, the part that I'm going to do like crisscross. I straight it because my hair is very thick. It's not like this thick, it's very afro. You can see that the skincare is very real, and I have to because yeah, my hair is so long. I'm so proud of myself. But yeah, that is all I do. And then in the back, for the back, I just did a straight back cornrows. Okay, if you can do it better, because I just straight my hair back cornrows with no hair, no extensions, with no mirror either. With no mirror, just straight it back. And then I crochet the locks. You can use braids, that is in your choice. I have my locks, I say okay, let me use it. You can use braids, you can use like curly hair too, or you can do like sewing or put you half wig. That you have many options to do. So yeah, that is the thing I do. So let me not boring you with this talk. So yeah, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram as Divany hair, and don't forget to follow me on my TikTok as Divany hair too, because I'm coming back on TikTok. I hope so. And yeah, don't forget to follow me on my Snapchat as Ivana Queen, and Shakara Baby too. You can search Shakara Baby and you will meet me. And that is all. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a big thumbs up, comment, comment everything you want to comment. Haters, I allow it too. Comment and share with everybody. Bye bye, I see you in my next video.
I'ma get she show for me. She make her withdraw money. Oh Roma, no go downgrade. Make a carry your luggage. I define you for 4 days. For 4 days, I no trust fit to contain. Girl body in a package. She no see I'm falling for you. Oh, overdose me, your love they overdose me. Now you, I want me love you. I think of low, overloading. I'll be overloading your bank account. Money plenty, tell me the amount. Every little thing they do to me, you sweet to me for body. Share love and feel fall on me, whoa. Girl, boy, like make I go crazy. I'ma get she show for me. She make her withdraw money. Oh, Roma, no go downgrade. Make a carry your luggage. I define you for 4 days. For 4 days, I no trust of you to contain. Girl, body in a package. She no see I'm falling for you. Oh, overdose me, your love they overdose me. Now you, I want me love you. I think of Lolo, overloading. I'll be overloading your bank account. Money plenty, tell me the amount. Every little thing they do to me, it's sweet me for body. She a loving feet fall on me, whoa. Girl, boy, like make I go crazy. I'ma get she sure for me. She make I withdraw money. Oh, Roma, no go downgrade. Make I carry your luggage. I define you for 4 days. For 4 days, I no trust of you to contain. Girl, body in a package. She no see I'm falling for you. Oh, overdose me, your love they overdose me. Now you, I want me love you. I think of Lolo, overloading. I'll be overloading your bank account. Money plenty, tell me the amount. Every little thing they do to me, it's sweet me for body. She a loving feet fall on me, whoa. Girl, boy, like make I go crazy. I'ma get she sure for me. She make I withdraw money. Oh, Roma, no go downgrade. Make I carry your luggage. I define you for 4 days. For 4 days, I no trust of you to contain. Girl, body in a package. She no see I'm falling for you. Oh, overdose me, your love they overdose me. Now you, I want me love you. I think of Lolo, overloading. I'll be overloading your bank account. Money plenty, tell me the amount. Every little thing they do to me, it's sweet me for body. She a loving feet fall on me, whoa. Girl, boy, like make I go crazy. I'ma get she sure for me. She make I withdraw money. Oh, Roma, no go downgrade. Make I carry
my 10 too.